Hey guys, welcome to another vlog and happy Pride!
We feel like nightclub kings. A little bit of fun now. I'll make one track out of two now.
Today's the most special and the most fun day of the month because it's Pride, and today is the parade, the biggest celebration. So I've been partying for the whole week. Pride month is a month.
I can tell you, I haven't seen Yani in a week.
In forever.
For real.
A whole month celebration for pride, diversity, gender equality, and all that. But this week is the most fun because that's when all the events are happening, especially this weekend. And today, for the first time ever, we're gonna be marching.
Oh my
on the
God,
parade.
that's gonna be so exciting.
It's
And
crazy.
it's sunny. We were so lucky because the past 3 years has been raining for the entire Pride.
Yes.
So this time it's sunny and
I
I'm
know.
so happy because I want my tan.
I know,
finally.
guys, we're gonna be vlogging the whole day. We're gonna show you all the party, all the excitement, all the colors, and it's gonna be fun. By the way, we saw many of you already last night and a few days ago, so if you see us today,
We really hope to see so many of you
Yes.
today marching for equality and for love and
Yes.
for all this beauty.
let's take pictures, let's take B-rolls and everything. Oh, I want hugs!
Get hugs!
What does your shirt say?
One of
Well, no, I'm a grandma! And next year I'll be a great grandma.
Oh, congratulations!
Oh my God, really?
Have a great
Happy
day.
Pride!
Happy Pride.
Thank you. See how fun it is? People are just so welcoming and just hugging each other. This is so much fun. Anyway.
And then the rest of the year, they're bitches.
They're bitches. We're drinking right now. We have alcohol in our bag, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna show you everything. Happy Pride! Yes.
Excellent. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Bye.
Thank you. How do you feel, Fabio?
Oh, I feel like I'm going home.
Yanni's getting a tattoo.
I think they stay on really well.
Guys, we cannot say much because there's a lot of music. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, everyone's giving us free stuff. Garbage.
We are loved.
We are loved.
Yeah, but they ripped the book.
Yes. No, we cannot talk much today because there's a lot of music and it's copyright. But how's your day going so far, Fabio?
Oh my God, amazing
How's
guys.
your
I have everything I want. Sunshine, beautiful people,
Yes.
fun, good music, my camera.
Fabio is doing a crop top, like the typical gay outfit nowadays. It's still a beautiful day. We're still enjoying. We're just exploring the city, the town, the streets, and we're gonna party today.
We feel like nightclub kings.
So guys, we got to our location where we're gonna start the march and it's gonna be super nice. The sun is incredible. I love it.
I know. So guys, now these people are lining up for the parade. It's about to happen soon, and we are with our group. They're right in front of us, and we're just here to vlog. And the parade's gonna start soon. The group is about Rainbow Railroad. So the Rainbow Railroad saves lives, pretty much. So they sponsor refugees from countries that are discriminating against gay people, and they sponsor them to come to Canada.
We have a couple of friends that got
Yes.
sponsored by them.
We're marching with Rainbow Railroad, which sponsors people, gay people from countries that are discriminating against gay people, to come to Canada. So that's what we're doing.
So shout out to you, Rainbow Railboard.
Rainbow Railroad. If you would like to donate to help them, give money, because you know, everything's not free. So if you want to donate and help money and save lives, please check out the link down below. We will link everything down below. So if you want to sponsor for gay people to come to a safe haven or asylum, please do so.
Yes. Let's help each other.
Let's help each other out.
Especially today.
Shout out to Rainbow Railroad.
How's it going? Are you guys vlogging?
Yes, we're vlogging.
Are you right now?
He doesn't know. It's okay.
Well, watch it again.
Yeah,
Watch it again. They do a lot of stuff.
yeah, how are you? This is our friend Barry.
Hi.
He's
Hi,
been
Yani.
volunteering for Rainbow Railroad. He's doing a lot of great things. If you want to donate, link down below.
Yani.
What do you do,
Thanks
Barry?
for the promo.
Barry helped me to come out. He's
long
been
time
there
ago.
a long time ago. He's been there with me since day one.
Yeah, it was quite a struggle. He needed a lot of support, but he made it. We're very proud.
Right.
And now he hangs out with his parents at our house, and we have parties
Right.
together. He never thought it could happen.
We have the costume, guys. Look at that. Wow. I think it's a wow, Fabio crop top. Yes, show the tummy.
Trust. Oh, I love it.
Alright guys, so like I said, we're gonna be marching with Rainbow Railroad. If you see us in the street, say hi. Ferdy! Hi! Hi, love! Hi, Fabio, congrats! How are you? Alright guys, we're almost ready to march. How do I look? That looks good. Working model fashion.
We're here today with Carmen and Sophia. They're here marching with Rainbow Railroad for their first time ever. It's the first time they've ever appeared in a pride parade. It's amazing. How are you feeling today?
For winter, I was in a winter parade handing out candies.
Oh, really? Okay. Were you in a parade before?
Get it
too?
right, Barry.
What do you think is going to happen?
We're gonna see lots of nudists.
A lot of nudists, not that many. Sorry to disappoint.
But I wanna see a nudist.
So much for coming out and for marching with us. We really appreciate it. Happy Pride, everybody! Fun putting this all together.
What brings you here today? You think you've gathered your thoughts?
To support. Yeah.
Support who?
The pride community. The pride community.
Pride community? Is this your first march, I believe?
No, this is my third march.
Third march? Wow, your experience.
So we're now here in line waiting to start this march, guys. We're so excited. So many people.
I know I'm still alive. I got all my love to give. I got all my love to give. I'll survive. I'll survive.
We just had food, we had lunch because we were so hungry, and now we're back on the streets again to party. Woo!
And kiss my boy.
Hey guys.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel, Pride Edition.
Yes.
Welcome back to my channel. I know you missed me. You haven't seen me in a year.
Stop!
Can I do a quick?
Yani and Fabio.
Okay, what's going on, y'all? Oh my God! I cannot believe it.
Y'all should wait Tater T. I'm here in Toronto, Canada for my first ever Pride. Tonight, y'all should come to Swag to the Roof, Club 120. I'll be hosting. Shameless promo. I gotta do a shameless plug. I'm so sorry.
Yes!
Hey guys. So,
Oh my gosh. Clean it.
Maybe you see us a bit blurry because the lens is a bit dirty, but we had an amazing Pride. The sun was shining the entire day. We walked for so long, the entire morning, and now we're so tired and we need to eat, have some water, lots of water, and then sleep. Goodbye.
Bye guys.